Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to compress file size using WinRAR. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! WinRAR, a Windows utility to condense and expand file, is installed on College Administrated Windows computer. Use WinRAR to back up and compress data, reduce the size of attachment you want to email to others, and compress RAR, zip, and other files downloaded from internet, and create archives in RAR and zip file formats. And what if you want to compress your large files, big files, on your PC or laptop using WinRAR? It's very simple. First of all, don't forget, of course, you can install WinRAR on your device. If you don't know how, you can watch on my previous video. And now you can, after you install the WinRAR, you can open your files. You can choose on the files that you want to uh, compress. This one, for example, you can click right on the file. You can hover your cursor to WinRAR, select on WinRAR. Now select on Add to Archive. From Add to Archive, you can change, maybe you can change the name like this, for example. Now you can change your archive format, still on RAR format, and the compression method you can choose on best for the create solid archive. You can checklist, and also for the lock archive. Okay, it's still like this. Now you can change the dictionary size to 2 GB. Okay, or maybe you can choose on 1 GB. After that, you can just choose on select on OK, and you can just wait until it finish. Until the process is finished, you can run the program at the background, and you can check the different size before and after you compress the file size. It's very simple, right? So that is how to compress file size using WinRAR. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!